Hello and welcome back guys to another episode of Fequiere Fitness TV. I'm your host, Daniel Fequiere, founder and CEO of Fequiere Fitness. And today guys, we're going to be doing some arm workouts using a resistance band. Now if you're new to this channel, please comment below for workouts that you'd like for me to do next. And you know how we like to get started. Dance, 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 dance. Now if you're looking to grow muscle mass and regular push-ups aren't doing it for you, it's best to add a resistance band. Resistance band adds additional force to the movements, which is very great for muscle mass, but not only that, it helps with mobility and flexibility in the joints. So doing this first exercise is just gonna be push-up taps. We're gonna place the resistance band at our palms, place your hands down on the ground. Remember to make them shoulder width apart. In this position, we're gonna go straight into a plank. You wanna kind of space out your feet so they're shoulder width apart to help with stability. In this motion here, what we're gonna do is bring that left hand up, tapping the right shoulder, back to the ground, then just bringing that right hand up to tap the left shoulder, back to the ground, and then a push up. Now remember in this movement, you do not wanna have too much hip movements going from side to side. You wanna try to keep your body almost straight the whole time. So this is the anti-rotation movement. Now we're gonna go for just 10 reps. Follow along with me guys. And ready, set, and go. Tap, tap, 1, tap, tap, 2, tap, tap, 3, tap, tap, 4, tap, tap, 5, tap, tap, 6, tap, tap, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now in the second movement, staggered push-ups, we're gonna be working in a push-up form, but this one's just gonna be slightly different. We're gonna space out our hands, again, shoulder width apart, just to get that tension in the resistance band. Place it around your wrist. Right hand would be lined up with your shoulder, right under your chest. Left hand, you just wanna put slightly up from there. So that way it's almost isolating on the right hand. We're gonna go for 10 reps. And ready, set, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Great job guys, we're down to the last one now. So we're gonna be repeating the same steps, but now just reversing arms. Place that left hand in line with the shoulder, right hand just a little bit up. Get a little bit of tension there. Ready, set, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Woo. Tough one, guys. Your arm should be burning. Now, if you're a beginner, just start off with just doing that one set. From a moderate to advanced, you want to do that same circuit, but 3 to 5 sets. Now, if you're new to this channel, please don't forget, comment below for workouts that you'd like for me to do next. As well, if you like this workout gear that I'm wearing, don't forget to check out my website, guys, right here at FequiereFitness.com. Thank you so much for watching. Please give us a like and subscribe to the page. And you know how we like to finish. Dance, 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 dance.